morning. So we're going to get started and we're going to go over how to create just a basic iMovie project for your trip video narration project that you're doing. Before we start, I just want to show you that I've assembled the movies that I'm going to be using along with some of the photos into a folder. These are my favorites, and I've already written out the narration on a sheet of paper, and all I have to do now is actually make a recording of that, or if I have had had a recording, I would have already brought it in as an audio file to get myself started. In this tutorial, I'll just show you how you can actually use iMovie to record yourself, but you could also use QuickTime or some other audio recording application to create the audio narration. The important thing is to be in a quiet room, have your mouth very close to the mic, and also to read slowly and clearly so that the pacing of your reading will allow people to look at some of the images in the video as well as hear background music without having it be overwhelming as far as information is concerned. Okay, so let's get started.